Are you ready to uncover the hidden secrets of Python functions? In this lecture, we'll explore written values and scope, the mysterious forces that govern the flow of data in and out of functions. By the end of this video, you will be a Python wizard, wielding the power of written values and scope to create a truly magical code. Imagine you're building a social media app that analyzes user posts for sentiment. You will need a function that processes the text and returns the sentiment score, which can then be used in different parts of your app. So what's written values? Written values are the outputs of a function. You can use the return statement to send the result back to the caller. Let's look at the code. A function to add two variables will return a variable, which is a sum of two variables. Here, the variable result contains the summation of A and B. The statement return result will return the final value. What's the scope? Scope refers to the visibility of variables within your code. Variables defined inside a function have local scope and are only accessible within that function. Variables defined outside a function have global scope and can be accessed throughout your program. Here is an example. A global variable, such as I am global, can be accessed within the function as well as outside the function. However, a variable named local variable, which contains the value I am local, is accessible only within the function and cannot be accessed outside the function. As you see in the code will display the output of a print function of a global variable, but will throw an error when you try to print a local variable outside the function. Let's now look at return values and scope using sentiment analysis example. Here, you find a function defined to generate a sentiment score. The function has certain positive words and negative words. The positive words are happy, love, and awesome, and negative words are sad, hate, and terrible. So based on presence of these words within the user's text, a particular score is assigned, and the score is iterated over multiple words within the text. So as you look at the for loop iterates over the words and checks for the presence of positive word or the presence of negative word, and accordingly it is going to either add +1 or remove 1 from the total score. Finally, the total score is returned to the main function. Here, the return statement essentially presents the total score and returns to the main Python application. Let's take an example of a simple statement. I love this awesome movie, but the ending was sad. This text is passed to the function to generate the total score. The sentiment score is then presented and displayed on the screen. Let's execute both these statements to check the output. There you go, the sentiment score is 2, which means it has more positive words and less negative words. In the next lecture, we'll explore different types of functions, including positional keyword and default arguments. This will give you even more control and flexibility when working with functions. Don't miss it. See you in the next lecture. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable and want to see more awesome content, remember to hit that like button and drop a comment below. Your likes and comments are our fuel, motivating us to keep creating free courses and helpful content. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's build this amazing community together.